Okay guys, so we're here at our Baccarat session. So I reset to 1550. So because a lot of my viewers said that why my balance is becoming so large so quick. So now I will reveal my secret. I do another session after the session I made this morning. So now I will record the other session, the one for my bankroll to expand. So I will do 2 sessions per day. One in the morning that I will cash out and one in the evening that I will leave at my bankroll so that my bankroll will grow. And another thing I put on the commission so that we will know how much the commission I gained on playing baccarat. Now let's begin. So let's begin to get 500 pesos. So let's go 10 units. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's bet here. So I started at the minimum. Minimum requirements is 550. It's the 5-step martingale that I use. Okay. I lost. Oh, another bet. Let's go. I'll make this full screen so that we can see much better. Okay. Okay, it's full screen. Okay. Where's my bet? Oh, where's my bet? Oh, I didn't able to bet. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Should have been a one here. One there. Didn't bet. So it's alright. Lost. Oh my goodness. Let's bet on player. It's a loss. Times 9, but it's a loss. Let's go. Let's bet on player. Another loss. Oh my goodness. Let's bet 200. We didn't able to bet there. Sorry. Okay. Luckily, I didn't bet here. Should have lost. Let's go. We just get the 50 pesos that we lost. Picture. Nice. Okay. We're up 40 pesos. Let's go. With this strategy, I like it because we can bet a lot and we can finish our session faster. So I don't bet here. I'll start when it becomes 7. So 12 banker in a row will defeat us. Should have won if I bet here. No. Nope. Oh, another loss. Getting a hard time winning on banker. Okay, we win 7. I said 7, so I'll bet now. Okay, we won. Another loss here. So hard to win on the player side. Okay, I think it's 200. Let's see. It's 200. The player is so strong today, but we'll conquer it. It's alright. Okay, we won. Won that time. So where will I bet? So here and here. Okay, we're getting there. Our target is 2,050 or 550 pesos. Let's go. Picture. Aha. I lost. But it's alright. We'll recover it. And if we did it, we'll just cash in. Just cash in again. 1,550. How many 1,550 will we lose here? I think we won't lose 1,550 today. Okay, win. Win. Let's go, let's go. No, could have a multiplier here, but don't worry, we won't that. Won't mind that. Oh, win, 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 win. Okay. Let's see where we at now. So I think 3 units. We still need 3 units to finish the session. So guys, you can see we will get the 500 pesos target. 9. No, it's only a 6 short. We're short. Okay, be patient. Patience is virtue. Sometimes I lost that patience, so that's why I reset, because I bet a lot, but I win a lot with this strategy. I will show you. I only play in this site using this strategy, so if you wanna try this site, I will put the link on the comment section. Okay, I like the commission here. I like the rebates and the commission here. It's daily commission. That's why my bankroll grows so fast. But still, it's still gambling. So gamble responsibly. Do not bet money that you cannot afford to lose. Okay? Where are we? We bet here. I think that's gonna be the last bet. This one is gonna be the last bet. Last unit to take. Okay, I win here. But don't show 7. Don't show 7. Okay. I lost here. Maybe I lost. I win. So this will be the last unit. So okay. We get our unit goal. So 545. Not yet. We want to go more than 550. So no. We only need 500. So that's all for today, guys. So I will show you my win and loss. So here, using this strategy, so I win 500, but I will be more disciplined today. So I will be more disciplined from now on, so that I can show you the best strategy. So I can show you how discipline works. So I win 7,900 yesterday. I lost 22,000. So I lost a lot. So that's why I will reset. So I lost 22,000, but I win 13. I win 14. I lost 2,500 here. I win 14. I win 8. I won 2. So as you can see, I win a lot using this strategy. So I only use this strategy. Guys. So I only use this strategy, and I'm winning using this strategy. Sometimes I lost, so this one I lost 3,000, this one I lost 2, but this is the only big loss I had. So another big loss, 14. And then okay, I win. So that's all. I started September 20. I win 7,000. I win 3,000. I win 2 times. I lost 2 times. 2 big loss. So I lost. Win. I think I'm still winning here, as I compute this. So but today I will just get 545. Then this evening, I will make another session and win another try to win another 500. So That's it for today, guys. That's it for the session. So I'll be back this evening to do another session. So for those of you who gamble, please gamble in moderation. Do not bet money that you cannot afford to lose. Don't bet the money that you will pay your bills with. So that's all, guys, and God bless.